Hello everyone, welcome back to TechChamps. In today's video, I will show you how to use Backtap on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the setting app and here scroll down and find accessibility. Tap on it. And next, find touch and select it. And here scroll down and tap Backtap. Here you will see two options, double tap and triple tap. Choose the one you want to use and now select the action you want. For example, you can choose a screenshot, control center, or many other actions. If you don't see the actions you want, use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you have selected an action, go back. Now simply double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone depending on the option you chose. Your selected action will run instantly. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Tech Channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.